Hello everyone! There are a lot of amazing shops in Paris. I like this one so much that I've decided to show it to you. I'm going to show you different clothes, then I'll buy a couple of them, and you can write if you agree with my choice in comments. What is also very important is that the clothes in these shops are a pretty simple design, so we can make such ones ourselves. Most of them are made just of the two simple square pieces of fabric stitched together and decorated. This is the name of the shop. I know what I'm going to buy, but I wanted to have a look at different clothes presented in this shop. This is my favorite color. I wish I could buy everything. Have a look at this poncho. This is a square piece of fabric decorated with embroidery and tassels. I recommend making this item to those who like knitting. Make it of light, soft materials and decorate with tassels. This is just a square piece of fabric with a hole in the center. Absolutely amazing. As I've already said, I can't buy everything, so I'm not going to buy this one. Anyway, the idea is amazing. Try knitting this poncho yourselves. Have a close look at the item. The tassels are about 15 centimeters long. Very beautiful. Have a close look at this tunic. It seems like the bottom is round, but actually it's not. This item was also made of the two square pieces of fabric stitched together. The sleeves are also straight. This tunic reminds me of a Bronze Age. The bottom was also decorated with the tassels. The tunic is made of the very strong linen. I love this item and I feel very comfortable in it. Anyway, as I can't buy everything, I'm not going to buy this one either. I'm showing you the items which you can make yourselves. Have a look here. This is kind of a dress. I can't say that it's a dress because it's too warm for a dress. Anyway, the design is absolutely amazing. You can make such dresses and decorate them however you like. I think that the designer who created these items was thinking about Morocco. You can make such dresses of jersey fabric or strong knitted fabric or even wool. Beautiful, warm, comfortable. Absolutely amazing. You can wear such dress with a scarf and a turtleneck blouse. You will look beautiful and feel comfortable. This coat is absolutely amazing. I'll try it on. It is made of the same fabric as the tunic. This is a long, light, sleeveless, hooded coat. Have a look at me. Even though the fabric is strong, it's pretty soft. What does it mean? Due to this fact, this item makes me look slimmer, even though it's pretty wide. I love hooded items. I'm going to buy this coat. It's perfect for crossover weather. I will wear it with different blouses and dresses. I love it. Amazing. Have a look here. This is a one-piece sleeve. I've already showed you how to make it, and I'll show you some more designs soon. There is a seam on the bust and on the sleeves. Notice that the sleeve head was gathered a bit. Very beautiful dress. I was about to leave the shop, and then I saw this item. This is a blouse-like sheepskin coat. I've already showed you how to make a coat without a pattern. The design is pretty similar. I was told that this is a double-faced coat. Let's have a look at the other side. Amazing. It is made of artificial fur and leather. Have a look at the pockets. It's hard to believe that, but I can turn the pockets inside. This really is a double-faced coat. Absolutely amazing. The pockets are inside. I love Paris, I love fashion, and I love you, my dear subscribers. What do you think of the items I showed you today? Write the comments. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukshte Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.